Right, hello, welcome. This is the new year. This is the first clip I've filmed for 2025, and yes, we're back on the Porsche 924. Now, hopefully today, we might get the engine in. We've made some progress, cleaned some more bits, I've painted that, and hopefully today, we've got the exhaust studs at last. It's not looking too bad now, it's been polished up and whatnot, and I've just got the exhaust studs in, which are there. So now we're going to put the exhaust manifold on, get it off the stand, get the clutch on, las it in, and build it up from there. Engine coming off engine stand at last. Yeah, in the bay. Cleaning. Right, it's a fresh day on the Porsche and we're going to get the engine in now. It's all ready on the block and the tackle. So I'm going to lift it into place, slide it under and then hoist it up. So let's crack on. There we go, some engine mount bolts are in now, so we're just going to get the engine lifted up and get the mounts on now. So you see we've got to get that one in there and that one in there.
Oh, there we go. That fucking wobbler.
Oh yeah, I don't... Now it is.
Now. I think that'll be tight enough.
There we go, engine in, still a long way to go, but good progress day. There you go. Right, I've not been filming, but we're just cracking on here, so we've got this bracket on. And we've got that bracket on just there. Got all the wiring sorted up there that were a pain in arse, and then we've got this rusty shield on there, and then exhaust on next, and then subframe on.
Thank you for holding.
Alright, time to get the subframe in. Right, we're back at the garage and we've got some fresh suspension. Now, you may notice that the Porsche is quite together in the background, and that's because, well, the batteries were dying at 1 degree, which is no good. So there it is, mostly back together now, so we haven't even started it yet, and let's put some suspension on it because anyway, so here we go. What is this, Lucas? What is it?
It's Gas Gold.
Gas Gold.
Full set. Keeping the torsion bar, but the back has springs on it.
Good.
And then we've got the front, bit of camber adjustment there, bit of camber adjustment there.
So we're gonna get these in at some sort of height. We don't really know. We just put them in, see where they sit, and then adjust from there. So
you seen when when they were allowed?
What?
They were inspected.
Hey?
That's when they were inspected.
What, 11/07/2002. They're as old as us. First time we've ever had the 924 on and that. Let's go back to front then, shall we?
Ooh.
That's why you hit the floor.
Oh, the other day.
Yeah.
Lummy neck.
So here's why your rears will go.
Yeah.
Nice and easy to get to that. What the fuck's that?
Is that fuel pump?
Is that a fuel pump?
Yeah, it must be. External. This is me. Rubbish. A stupid, annoying exhaust.
Oh my god.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't even know that. You couldn't tell because it's that loud anyway.
No, you didn't know.
Oh my god, it's a nice exhaust this as well.
Oh, it's fucked now.
Could have sold it. Oh, is it?
Anyway, so looking down, before we go right to the front, sills. Right.
Does that seem decent? Do you reckon there's no rust under the skirt? I bet it's rusty under there.
Here we go to the front then. Everything we've just completed.
Just bang made on a tyre.
Oh, it looks a lot nicer here, doesn't it? My car's like, what, how many years newer than this?
10.
And this is way better.
This was parked inside for 20 years, wasn't it?
Yeah, quite a lot of time.
Can't believe.
Right, Lucas is going to be getting his wheels off, and I've brought the bin dingo in for the meantime. I've recently fit gauge S to this, and what's happened is I've lost my RPM gauge because I put the needle back in the wrong spot. So we need to take the cluster back out, run it, and kind of guess where it goes. So I'm just going to remove my cluster while Lucas takes his wheels off.
Trying to sort out his gauge S.
Not sorting the gauge, sorting the bloody RPM counter. It's not fucking working.
Oh yeah. He's fit them. Yeah, he's messing with the gears in the gauge because he's fit the gauge S and everything stopped working. Anyway, I've been doing my Porsche. I've got the rear. Oh, you can't really see. Right, test, final test.
Final
before putting
test.
it back together.
Yeah, needle is not fully fixed on in case it's wrong.
That looks right to me.
Red line should be at 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What a fucking engine. Don't see nothing rev up like that without being built or costing more than 450 quid.
It does have a light. Does it have a light flywheel?
Yeah.
It does have a light flywheel.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
People spend thousands for that shit. So did I, but not that much.
Yeah.
Lucas is struggling. What are you struggling with?
The big hole.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks bent.
Yeah. No, the other one does as well.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
It sits weird in there.
Oh, that is weird then.
I think I have opened it a little bit more now.
Oh. I'm gonna screw my cluster together. Right, we've got a proper booster now, so hopefully we might have a chance. So we've got that on there, that up there, so I'm gonna get some oil pressure and see what we're doing. Yeah.
A lot longer than usual.
Yeah. Coilovers on. Yeah, I don't know how much we filmed of that.
I filmed a little of the actual. I filmed a little bit of back window.
Well, they're in there, as you can see. We've got our adjustable strut tops in there.
They don't go all the way in because the bolts are in the way. I've got mad hiccups.
Yeah, yeah. Like mad hiccups.
Over an hour now. Just so it don't roll away. Oh, it carried on going a bit back there. It rolled.
Yeah.
But that might be just because it's settled. Is that right?
What? It's
I think that, yeah, the front's a bit higher.
We'll see you in a day or so for some final adjustments.
Having issues. Will not start. We don't know why. We think we might have knocked a cable or an earth or something in here, in the footwell down there, because that's where they're trying to start it again. 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell.
Alright, we've recalibrated the fuel system. We did a lot of experimental things and now we're going to try starting it again. So we'll see. We're hoping for the best. Might just work, might not, probably won't. We'll see. They were firing back through intake.
Oh, very shit.
But it fired.
Yeah.
Something happened.
Yeah.
I'm just going to tweak distributor cap forward slightly.
Yeah.
So we've just retimed the engine because it might have been out, but we don't know. There was another marking on the camshaft and we think it might be the one, so let's give it a whirl. I weren't even recording them, but we're correct to the timing marks that the internet says now. We have 2 timing marks for some reason. So let's find out if we're right. Yeah, boy! What? Yes!
Very smoky.
Right, hello and welcome. We are back at the Lowdown Garage with Spanner.
Have you got the key?
It's in the car. Anyway, and the other night we got it running after you've just seen a few attempts, so now we're going to bleed the coolant system and hopefully go on the first drive. So let's see how we go. We've parked it this way so we can have the coolant bottle as high as we can. Going to run it up, wait for some bubbles to pop out of that bleed pipe, and let's see how it goes. Right, so we're running the Porsche up again now, and we've fixed a coolant leak, cleaned all the earths up, and the fan does hopefully work now. So we're just bleeding it up a second time and it should be good. First drive. It does car.
It does, definitely.
Feels quite good actually, the suspension.
My reverse light just went out.
Did it?
Yeah. I saw it really bright behind us and then it just went
You're
down.
still in first.
Oh shit. Wait, what was that behind us
Went
then?
in reverse.
Did Ian turn his
just been a
light out maybe?
Yeah. Right, here we are, last little hurdle for the Porsche now. So basically we're running it up, we found a bit of an oil leak, and it turns out a gasket goes around the distributor cap just there, and we didn't know about it, so it was leaking out the back, and I was like, oh my god. So I've just made a paper gasket out of a teacup, well, a tea box, and we'll get that fit, and hopefully then we're all good once Lucas has fixed his brake lights. So doing that now. The whole car's made of spade connectors, so yeah, and they're all corroded. Right, there's my gasket. Let's get it fit. I always have been.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Tight as well. Is it a bit too tight now?
No.
Look at that. Right. I don't want to go. I'm going to bring the light outside, I think, and do it actually.
Yeah. Well, let's start it up and see. So we've got a bit of a car meet going on now. Look, we've got Joe's Polo, we've got another Polo GTI. Look at that, barrels are clean. You know. Then we've got Dan's car with some fat tyres. Look at that, yeah. Everybody's cars. Right, here we are, it's go time for the Porsche. At last, it's outside, ready to leave the Lowdown Garage. We're going to take it to the petrol station for its maiden voyage. Right, so with that, it is the end of the Porsche project, and on comes another project that might be in the background here. Wonder what's going on there. Anyway, so obviously the Porsche is now running and driving. Lucas needs to do many other things, but there's still a list as long as your arm to make it nice and drivable and usable. Brakes are sticking, calipers need refurbing, just a lot of bits and bobs. So anyway, with that, if you've enjoyed, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, but that sounds desperate. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, look forward to the next project.